Hi, my name is Satish Alvarthi, working as assistant professor in mechanical department in Guntur Engineering College. Today, I will explain about specific heats, enthalpy, and ideal gases in thermodynamics. Before discussing about these topics, we have to know the what is pure substance. Pure substance is one that has a homogeneous and invariable chemical composition. It may exist in more than one phase, but chemical composition is the same in all phases, is called pure substance. Sometimes the mixture of gases such as air is considered a pure substance as long as there is no change of phase. Now discuss about equation of state. An equation of state is an equation which relates the variable of state, that is temperature, pressure, volume and gas constant. It is particularly useful when you want to know the effect of change in one of the variable of state. I will take the solids and liquids. If the pressure on a solid or liquid is increased, the volume does not change much. If the temperature is increased, the volume does not change much either. Therefore, an appropriate equation of state describing such system would be V into temperature, pressure is equal constant, VTP is equal constant. In gases, in contrast, changing the pressure or temperature of gas will have an easily observable effect on the volume of that gas. For an ideal gas, intermolecular interaction and no molecular volume, an appropriate equation of state would be VTPN is equal to nRT by P. There are many equations of state describing real gases. These equations take in consider molecular volume and interactions. The most well known such a equation is probably the van der Waal equation. For ideal and real gases, PV is equal to small m by capital M. MRT is equal to nRT. The universal gas constant have a value of 8.314 joules per moles Kelvin or kilojoules per kilomoles Kelvin, and related to specific gas constant by the relation R equal to R by capital M. The ideal gas equation of state can be derived from the kinetic theory of gases, where the following assumptions are made. The molecules are independent of each other. In other words, there are no attractive force between the molecules. So the internal energy of the ideal gas is a function of temperature only, and it is independent of pressure and volume. Finally, E is equal to U into T, dou U by dou P, T is equal to 0. Dou U by dou V at T is equal to 0. Now we will discuss about enthalpy and specific heats. Enthalpy of substance, H is defined as, it is a intensive property of the system, and the SI unit is kilojoule per kg. It denoted by H. Internal energy change is equal to the heat transfer in a constant volume process involving no work other than PdV work. It is possible to derive an expression for the heat transfer in a constant pressure process involving no work other than PdV work. In such a process, in a closed stationary system of unit mass of pure substance, dq is equal to du plus pdv. At constant pressure, pdv is equal to dpv. dq at p is equal to du plus dv in pvv. dq at p is equal to du plus pv. dq at p is equal to dh, where h is equal to u plus pv is the specific enthalpy. It is a property of the system. Heat transfer at a constant pressure increases the enthalpy of a system. For an ideal gas, the enthalpy becomes H is equal to U plus RT. We have to find out the total enthalpy. Capital H is equal to M into small h. Small h is equal to capital H by M, joules per kg. Capital H is equal to U plus PV, where capital H is the total enthalpy and U indicate the internal energy and P is the pressure, V indicate the volume. It has come to specific heat at a constant pressure and specific heat at a constant volume, and relation between two specific heats, H is equal to U plus PV or dH is equal to du plus dpv. For an ideal gas, the above equation reduced to dH is equal to du plus dRT, that is equal to du plus rdt, or we can write dH by dt is equal to du by dt plus r, or we can write Cp is equal to Cv plus r, where Cp is the specific heat at constant pressure, Cv is the specific heat at constant volume, R is the gas constant for ideal gas constant. This you can write Cp minus Cv is equal to R. For an ideal gas, this equation we can written as Cp minus Cv is equal to R, where Cp by Cv is equal to gamma. Again this equation you can write Cp is equal to R by gamma minus 1 and Cv is equal to R into gamma by gamma minus 1. This is the relation between two specific heats. Thank you so much.